Hey, how's it going, everyone? It's David with Salted Perfection, and today we're going to be smoking a turkey breast using our fantastic new select blend named Plymouth. Plymouth is really good on turkey. It's also good on any poultry, chicken, and it makes really good turkey burgers. If you have ground turkey, just sprinkle Plymouth right in there and mix it all up. I like to include mayonnaise in that mix and mix it all up and cook it however you want. Throw them on the grill, fry them, whatever. They're really good. But today we have a little butterball boneless turkey breast, and I'm just doing this for dinner tonight and to make a little demo video here. So without any further delay, let's get into this. I'm using a homemade mayonnaise. I'm just going to put some of the homemade mayonnaise on the turkey, spread it around, and I'm being proper today using a silicone brush to cover everything, and we do have to do both sides. Plymouth has citrus and cranberry, and you want to be generous with this. It is so delicious. You really want to get a lot on your turkey. And this works great for a whole turkey in the oven. Thanksgiving's coming up. Let's flip these over. You want to make sure every part of this is covered. And so much for my clean hands. But at least I started out with clean hands. Anyway, that looks pretty good. I'm going to go prepare the smoker, and we'll see you out there. Okay, you can see it's kind of a rainy day, so I have this all set up in the garage, and I think we'll be okay. The smoker's preheated to 275. Keep that in there until it's an internal temp of 165, and birds should be done and tasty. Here we go. Can't wait to try this out. All right, so our temp probe has hit 165 here, and looking through the glass, it looks so good. I can't wait to get into this. Pull this out, and we'll take it inside and slice it up. Ooh, yeah. Wow. I really like this vertical smoker. Okay, so the turkey breast has been here resting for a little while. Across the grain here. Yeah, wow. Wow, that looks so good. Let's do a really thin one here. Terry likes thin. Yeah. So, now's a good time to bring up, with Plymouth, what I like to do, you have everybody over for Thanksgiving. You slice up your turkey, you put it all on the serving platter. Just do a little dusting with Plymouth over the top of everything. It freshens up the flavor. It looks absolutely beautiful. And let's see if we can get a detail of this. And that flavor is something that your guests will talk about for years. Trust me on this. It's so good.
It looks really juicy. Wow, it smells really good too.
You're ready. All right. Please.
Oh my God.
That's so good.
Sorry, I have to have another one.
Man, I don't want to overreact, but
It's seriously good.
yeah, it's really good. It's so good.
I don't know if it's going to make it to the table.
Ah, got a whole turkey thing here. Yeah, high five. Man, that's good.
Wow.
Plymouth Select Blend. Turkey, turkey, turkey.
Best turkey I've ever had.
And we dust.
The dusting.
Yeah, it makes all the
Primo.
difference. I'm gonna eat this in. That's good stuff.